How to see all follow requests on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to see all follow requests on Instagram. So, let's begin right away. The very first step that I will suggest is to simply update your Instagram app first. So if it is still not updated, go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. So once you have updated your Instagram app, simply open it. And then right here, you may be able to see the notifications button right here on the lower right of the screen. So you just simply click on it, and then you may be able to see the follow request right here on the topmost part. So you just simply click on that follow request, and then you may be able to see those who have followed you or asks you to follow or let them follow. And then let's say for example that you want the full list of that follow request, you may do so by going to your profile right here and then click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on settings. And right here, simply search for download your information. So once you're in download your information or download your data, simply input your email right here and click on request to download. So it may take up to 48 hours or until Instagram has sent you an email or the file of your data. So simply open your email and then download the file. So for example, I have downloaded the file. I'll just go to files right here, and then there will be a file like this one, which is in a zip format. So you just simply unzip the file, and then this folder will appear. So right here, what you're going to do is to search for the followers and following, which is this one. So go to followers and following and then search for the follow request. So since I don't have any follow requests, I may not be able to see the list or the file. So assuming that this is a follow request, we just simply click on it and then you may be able to see the list of those following requests. So that's it. That's how you can see all follow requests on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.